amusement park, and various business establishments that you really enjoy. Now that you know what Marikina Riverbanks has to offer, I'm sure you're excited to explore this place. But let me introduce myself first. My name is Frankie Enriquez, but please call me Kuya Coco. I'm a representative from BSD M2, and I'm honored to be with you today to share more about the Marikina Riverbank.
While we're going around, let's talk the history of the Marikina Riverbanks. Did you know the Marikina River has been the lifeblood of Marikina City since the 16th century, with early settlers living along its banks and farming the fertile land. The Jesuits established a mission in 1630, and the town became a parish known as Marikina in 1687. Over time, the name evolved to Marikina, and the river played a crucial role in the city's development. Now that you know the history of Marikina, let's talk about safety. Firstly, be mindful of water levels during the rainy season, as the river rises up rapidly. Second, if you have visited the Marikina River Park, avoid swimming or wading in the river, especially during strong currents, to avoid accidents and stay safe. Now let's move on to some fun facts about the Marikina. The Marikina River is the largest tributary of the Pasig River, and Marikina is known as the shoe capital of the Philippines due to its thriving shoe industry. That concludes our tour to the wonderful Marikina Riverbanks. I hope you enjoyed learning a bit about history, safety reminders, and fun facts. As we continue our tour, feel free to look around, ask questions, and take in everything this place has to offer.